Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the Dragoon Mountain Range Nature Reserve. So right now, the Dragoon Mountains is entirely owned by United States Forest Service. You can see right here in blue, it's surrounded mostly by state-owned land. And up on top, that little portion that's yellow, that is owned by the Bureau of Land Management. You can see right here this little square right below North Golden Rule Road. That's the Bureau of Land Management building. So which areas are important to preserve in the Dragoon Mountain Range? I would say Kochi's Stronghold, mainly because of the rich history associated with it. It's here that it was that Apache chief Cochise lived with about 1,000 of his followers, and he actually fought two battles here. The first, he actually defeated a small group of Union soldiers, and on the second battle, he was defeated and captured. What are some flora and fauna that reside here? Some flora, a recent study conducted by the United States Forest Service identified over 550 species. Some of those special species include the Coleman's coral rot, the Lemon's lupine, and the Catina beard tongue. Here are just a bunch of the species that were identified in that investigation or evaluation. Here are some of the fauna. It's just normal forest-like creatures that you would see, like deer, bobcat, javelina, mountain lions, and even black bears. What are some endangered or threatened species that live here? Some of the endangered and threatened species were the Chiricahua leopard frog that you saw in the previous slide, the Mount Graham red squirrel, the Mexican spotted owl, the northern Apache ghost hawk, the bighorn sheep, and a couple others. Here are some of the threatened species. According to an evaluation done by the United States Forest Service, there is about 255 threatened endangered species, sensitive and highly vulnerable species that are known to occur in the Coronado National Forest. What are some activities that people could do here? Well, there's a lot. First, you could visit Kochi Stronghold, which is an important historic landmark. You could view the unique desert vegetation, which is incredibly beautiful and uh, has some special plants. You could go through unique Native American history and walk the same trails as some of Kochi's followers did. You could view the unique topology as seen at Kochi's Stronghold, which is known for its unique mountain-like structure. And then there's just a bunch of multiple hiking and riding trails for people to enjoy nature and just observe. So how would people visit? Currently, the best way to enter would be from the east side, mainly because there's easier access from Highway 191, and east side is the only entrance that doesn't require a four-wheel drive vehicle to access those areas. So people could park near the nature reserve and walk, and then they would be able to enjoy nature. What are some nearby mountain ranges if you wanted to go explore some other mountain ranges? Well, the one that's to our north is the Winchester Mountains. That is about 67.4 miles, but it's an hour and 54-minute drive. To the east is our farthest mountain range, or the longest mountain range it would take to get to. That's the Chiricahua Mountains, and it would take about 2 hours to get there. South, that is the closest mountain range drive wise because it's only an hour 33-minute drive and it's about 44 or 46.6 miles away. About west we have the Whetstone Mountains, which is an hour and 41-minute drive and about 44.8 miles away. I would like to thank you for watching my presentation, and here are all of the links provided for my resources. Thank you.